I want to introduce to you to this app that I found is very unique. One unique thing about this app is that it lets you listen to any radio station from around the world. So I want to show you how you can get it and how you can start listening to radio stations from around the world. And all you need is just to get connected to the internet. And once you have this app installed on your phone, you are good to go. So to get this app, just go to Play Store. Using this search button, search for Radio Garden. Here we go. And it is this. So go ahead and install it. And once you have installed it, you can open it. Let me open mine that I've already installed on my smartphone, and let's test it. And straight away, you can see now the green dots that you are seeing, those are radio stations that this app has picked. And if you zoom out, you can see how there are so many radio stations around the world. So you can just move this globe around, and you can imagine how many stations you can listen to. And that was a radio station from Egypt, and that is from Russia. You can imagine. That's from Kenya. You can imagine. And as you can see, there are so many radio stations. Once you click on any dot, on any green dot, it will pick up a radio station and it will start playing it immediately. You can even search by the name of the station when you tap on this search, and you will find a list of them, and you can search even by country. And as you can see, we have a number of them here. You can view radio stations in over 222 countries, and if you want all of them across the globe, these are popular across the globe, you can see them when you choose that option, and the list is almost endless. There are hundreds of them. Now, alternatively, if you want to search for radio stations that are around you, you can do so by using this location tool. When you tap on it, go to your location, it will take you to radio stations that are around you. So this will allow you authorizing this app to access your location, and immediately it is zooming to radio stations around me. I'm in Kenya, and you can see here they are. There are quite a number of them. I can pick any and it will start playing immediately. The other thing you can do with this app is that you can add your favorite radio stations that you like. You can add it to favorites. And as you can see, I have a number of radio stations that I have already added to my favorite list, and that has just been added. And the good thing is you don't have to name it. It already comes with the name. So go out and download Radio Garden and try out for free. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.